James here from Denaliweld. I'm here in our Elgin, Illinois facility introducing our Jet1000 100% air-cooled laser welding unit. On the machine here itself, very simple to use. 2 dials, one for wattage, one for your wobble size, or what we call wobble size, it's your laser width. You have your emergency stop and your on-off key. You also have a gas pressure sensor that will notify you if it lacks gas pressure to help preserve those lenses inside of the torch. In the kit, you get your laser welding machine, roughly about 45 pounds, very maneuverable, good for the field or in a shop. Also comes with a wire feeder. It's our light version of the wire feeder, and what that gives you is all your standard wire feeding ability. And it also has a wire feeding pulse on there to mimic that pulse TIG welding. You'll have your torch, nozzle kit with all the different nozzles that you can use for inside corners, outside corners, anything that you would need on the job, and 1 pair of laser safe OD6 Plus glasses. I know there's growing concerns about the tariffs that have come about in the last few weeks. With our Denaliweld units, we have globally sourced parts with manufacturing throughout the world. All these machines are pre-assembled in our European facility with final assembly happening here in Elgin, Illinois. On the tariff note, that will not affect our affordable price range for all of our Denaliweld series. So to transition into the seam cleaning operation on this pocket welder, all you're going to do is change from the welding scale tube to the seam cleaning scale tube. For this, you're going to want to run a lot lower wattage. I would say right about 100 watts should be adequate for the seam cleaning operation. And then you're going to want to maximize your wobble size to 0.20. You ready? Watch your eyes. All right, we did a little more welding here on the Jet1000 today. What we have set up is a positioner turntable, also with our Jet1000. This application is great for your stainless steel, food processing, all of your pipe work. Jet1000 was able to take 100% of it with no issue. The way that we're set up running it isn't the ideal setup. There are other ways to run it. We were just using the cobot for convenience on our end. But here you can tie right into the positioner and have everything all on 1 foot pedal, laser on, laser off, and your turntable rotation. As you can see, the proof is there. Not only is this unit affordable, but it can lay down quality welds for all of your manufacturing needs. For the safety side of this unit, we're looking at a safety door interlock, but we also have a laser welding helmet that has its own safety interlock built in, which you'll be able to see in the coming video. Don't forget to visit our website at www.denaliweld.com, and don't forget to follow us and subscribe on YouTube.